In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator to ClickFunnels 2.0. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set the right access so your team can work efficiently without compromising security. First, sign into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account and head to your workspace. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you see Settings and click it. Inside Settings, look for the Collaborator section and open it. This is the centralized area where you control who can access your workspace and what they're allowed to do. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed, because Collaborator access is tied to the specific workspace you're viewing. Next, add your collaborator. Look toward the top right for the Add New Collaborator button and click it. You'll see a setup panel with two paths. If the person is already a team member in your account, you can select them from the drop-down. This is the fastest route because their details are already saved. If they're brand new, use the option to add a new person and enter their email, first name, and last name. Double-check the email to avoid typos. Using a work email helps keep access organized and secure. You're not sharing passwords here. ClickFunnels will send them an invitation so their account remains private to them. Now choose the role or roles you want them to have. You might see options like Funnel Builder, Reader, and Marketing. These roles define what the collaborator can view and change. As a rule of thumb, grant only what they need right now. For example, a reader can review without editing, a funnel builder can create and modify funnels, and marketing roles can handle campaigns. You can combine roles if their responsibilities overlap. When you're confident the permissions match their job, click Create Collaborator to send the invite. From there, ClickFunnels emails the invitation automatically. Your collaborator follows the link to join your workspace, and until they accept, you'll typically see their status as pending. If they can't find the email, have them check spam or promotions. You can always revisit the collaborators area later to review access and make adjustments as your team's needs change. That's all it takes. You've opened workspace settings, navigated to collaborators, added the person, assigned the right roles, and sent the invite. Keep permissions minimal, verify emails, and review access periodically to keep your workspace tidy and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy building in ClickFunnels 2.0.